Hello, it's Kinsha. I am the owner of Lashtrix Cosmetics and I'm coming to you with a lash application tutorial. We will be showcasing our best girl lashes from our 20 Fine collection. These are premium silk fibers that we put together and handcrafted just for you. They are very lightweight, like the lash band is pretty light, if you could see. It's pretty light. So what I like to do is want to like bend your lashes in a C shape. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you that up close right here. Bend it like this just so that it's more circular, so it's easier to apply on your lashes. And then I like to use a duo brush on adhesive or regular adhesive. The brush on I think is very easy and it doesn't get too messy, especially if you're like a beginner lash person. You're just trying to like figure things out, like how this whole thing works and whatnot. So I like to like hold my tweezers. We also have our Lashtrix applicator, but I will show you a different way that you can use it because some people are still not so familiar with the applicator. So I'm going to show two ways that you can do it. So this is the tweezer way. It's just more precise. For some people, I like to use the tweezers for like my inner corners of the eye, but I will be doing the Lashtrix applicator for you guys, of course, and show you guys how you guys can use the applicator for your entire lash application. So I'm just using the brush on adhesive. This is the dual brush on adhesive. And we're just gonna put like a tiny bit, okay? Just a tiny, not really a tiny bit, but like you want to put just enough that it covers the lash band. And I'm just going to move the lash a little bit higher so that it doesn't get stuck onto the applicator and you're not like trying to like get it off and stick your lashes at the same time on your eyes. Like that's just too much. So yeah, we're just going to put just enough that it covers the entire lash band like this. You would always measure your eye first before putting on the lashes to give you a more natural, seamless look, okay? So just moving forward, we're gonna take our applicator. We're going to kind of fit it right in the middle of the lash, like so. You're just gonna fan it out a little bit with the brush on adhesives. You can just fan it out for a little bit. Don't let it get too dry, don't let it dry out too much because then it's not gonna stick. But with the regular liquid adhesive, you would definitely want to wait at least 30 seconds. I like to like put the lash right on my hand here and let it get tacky and everything, and then I put it on the lash so that it's easier to just blend in with your natural lash, stick on. You don't even have to worry about trying to like place it different areas. We don't have time for that. So like I said, I'm just gonna fan out the lash a little bit, and then I usually like to take my middle finger right here, kind of elongate my eye, close my eye, and then just look for the middle part where I can set the eyelash on. And you want to take your time, okay? And you just want to hold it and drop, okay? And then at this point, I'm just gonna take the outer corners right here, do the same thing, and just drop, let it go. And then I'm gonna go to the outer corners. Now the outer corners are a little trickier, but the same principle remains. You just stick it there and let it drop. And then I like to go back in with the applicator and kind of squeeze my natural lashes and the lash band together. You see how when I first put it on, you could see the glue and everything like that, and now when I squeezed everything together, it kind of just set. That's what you want to do. And take your time, folks. Take your time. Take your time. Because you don't want to rush this. You don't want to rush this. You don't. So from what I see in my mirror, everything looks pretty good. So once again, I'm just going to squeeze or give everything a good squeeze. A good beginner tip with this is you can always add eyeliner or anything on the top. Of course, like you can do that, and that would be absolutely fine because then you won't see, like if in case like you didn't do it like as seamless, it's fine because you have the black eyeliner to kind of cover it up. So you can always do that. That's a good hack that you could definitely use. Try it out, let me know you know, not a big deal, whatever. Like, whatever would help you with your slay. That's basically it. So yeah, I'm just, again, squeezing everything together, making sure everything is looking good. I'm gonna put this in the light right here. Now again, these are 25 millimeters, not milliliters, millimeters. So you do want to definitely ensure you're taking your time, and it will be a little harder, especially for a beginner, to get this on. Okay, just like that. And as you can see, looking up, you can't really see anything from there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on the other eyelash for you. Natural eye, and close it, and then we're gonna put it right in the middle. Okay, now this side is gonna be a little trickier for me because the other side of my lash lid, it's not gonna look the best. It's gonna look like, it's just gonna look like a hot mess. So this is where I would take my tweezers and work with the lash. Okay, if in case you do get glue on your lower lash line, you can get a Q-tip, some oil, and just kind of, or like makeup remover, just kind of wipe it down, something that could break down the glue so that it's not sticking all day. And that is how you do your lashes.